mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. May 29, 2024, Wednesday Racing. Umpisa ng karera alas 5 ng hapon. 7 races ang naka-line up sa nag-iisang MetroTurf, Magbar, Tanawan, Batangas. Lahat ng races ay may distansyang 1,200 meter run. Race number 1, isang maiden race, only choice, number 3, official seal. Race number 2, first choice, number 8, Happy Kid. Second choice, number 4, Blue Miss. Third choice, number 7, Smiling Lady. Race 3, first choice, number 1, Ida's Pet. Second choice, number 5, Mustang Sally. Third choice, number 6, Pay the Lady. Race 4, first choice, number 6, Golden Opportunity. Second choice, number 7, Doña Chichay. Race 5, first choice, number 8, Heroes of Caloocan. Second choice, number 3, Aliana. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 2, Gianchi. Second choice, number 6, Ang Bigote. Third choice, number 7, Guest of Honor. Last race, race 7, race na may Super 6. First choice, number 6, Valued Friendship. Second choice, number 1, Limon Sudan Falls. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!